Hookup.
You need to connect girl to you or
Normal hookup.
like, girl.
Have you get best when you need hookup?
Yeah, sure.
I can just walk up to someone and ask this question.
Oh, it's bad. Sorry to bother you. Really like to get hookup.
I don't understand.
Like hookup.
What do you
I just want to be straightforward. How many hookup do you have?
I don't understand hookup in the sense that
Normal hookup, everybody know now. I'm not a child now. I just want to be straightforward. I don't want to be, just give it to you. Yeah.
no.
I'm saying too much. Okay, the word is too big.
I can just walk up to someone and ask this question.
Oh, it's bad. I've been doing it before, so I don't know.
Continue.
I feel okay. This is what I'm talking about though. Also, you need like to get hookup. Like to get hookup. You need.
Are you telling it all?
I'm giving it out. That's why I asked if you like to get hookup. Like hookup.
I don't know.
Just give it
I
to
don't
you.
know.
If you need, I can give it to you. Like, so now you know. Can still use it for someone. You TV show you. Cool. You don't like hookup, why?
I don't do that.
What about you?
God have mercy upon us.
You know me now, sharp now. Like even this afternoon now, if you wanna just get hookup, sharp.
So like for me to connect girl to you or
Normal hookup,
for
like
girl.
you dey do guys before.
For this beautiful girl, now we do girl. Eh?
So you don't need now, you don't want.
No.
Why now?
Okay, that's personal.
How bad thing?
At least
It's not bad now. There's nothing bad there.
I'm not saying there is
People hook up these days. People get hook up these days. They get hook up these days.
Continue.
You see me? Just normal hook up now. So you don't need.
I don't know, thank you.
But it's not bad though.
I didn't say it's bad.
But you say, God forbid, why?
No, it depends on I didn't
Okay. No. I thought I say you want to get hook up, like you won't get. You feel me? You frank though. Okay, sorry, 1 minute ago. We like very good.
70 years old man.
Yeah, alright. I don't understand. No man, I won't give you this.
Continue.
She said, tomorrow, wait. This was happening like this. Just, I did give her for free. Alright now. Yeah. This I talked about
Hookup.
yeah.
Okay.
You need
No.
a biscuit flavor, good chocolate flavor. But I won't give you because I just see you from far. If she say no, you're not there. Yes.
Yeah, so good.
Just stand there, you'll be like, get. No matter now, nobody is small picking now.
I know.
Pure day the street. Have you get best when you need to cook?
Continue.
Yeah, sure.
Sharp now.
Bad guy.
No, sure.
I need to.
You want to cook? Cook up.
No.
Why? Even you now. Why?
I don't want to.
The way you said no, I don't understand. Nobody is a child.
Sharp.
I know.
Are you a child?
That's why I just said no. Nobody's a child.
The way you said you're saying no like I'm too small. I look small.
You're not small now. I
The
just
way
don't
you
want
said
to.
you didn't even think of it. You just said no. You don't want. I just want to
You
go
know
straight
why?
to the point. Why?
I hate this talk. My most important. Once you just they call me like this,
So that is the red flag.
That's just it. Don't call me. Even
I'm the one offering it
if
now.
you check now, you
I'm the
won't
one
see anybody coming today.
I'm the one offering it now.
That's why me I'm telling you that you will not call me.
So this is the first time someone wants to give to me. This is the first time I've seen somebody meet me asking me this kind of question.
No, mostly I just say no and I just walk away. It's you that is demanding for explanation. That's what I'm telling you.
But I want to still give you. Give me one.
But you need it.
You need it, like you need it. Like you need it. So I just felt like why you stand over and said and you come and give me hookup.
Hookup.
Yeah, hookup. So I don't understand what you say like
Hookup. Sharp. I was sharp hookup today.
Eh? Check your mind now. Not be we day here now. We day here now. Tell me now. Man, I don't dey come from that side. They come side. I ask people they say, "I come this side." Cup now. You don't know cup. I better talk to me. Crazy. Talk to me.
No,
Now calm down now before.
Okay, this is Biscuit. Hey, you go talk now. I just talk.
Yo guys, so this is the end of the video and we're done. We got a lot of reactions. So if you know you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe also. If this is your first time seeing Hookup Biscuit, sorry for you, what you love for you is gone. Zoom in. Hookup. So if you've never eaten this biscuit before, you should go and try it. It's even fun itself. Yeah, take it. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.